Heaven from hell. Blue skies from pain.
Oh, what?
Can you tell a green field? We gotta go.
I'm brushing my hair.
Why? It's not gonna make you any prettier, Lena.
Nothing will.
All that makeup and you still look like shit.
You know what, Owen?
How I wish you were here. I don't know. I look like cracked out right now, dude. Oh, you're taking a video?
We made it!
Don't use this video. I was just freaking out.
What?
Go on.
I look like a bug. We made it, guys. Hey.
I didn't mean to shit to you in all your videos.
I know. I wish we could stay for longer. Ooh, mosquito.
I know, me too. It's gonna be a blast, dude.
Barnes John.
Barnes John.
Thought he was in your context. Oh my god, look how many mosquitoes are already in here. You should probably roll your windows up while
While we're gone.
Okay guys, so it's about 7 p.m. It's starting to get freezing. I'm wearing this like Patagonia shirt that I wore in my last like Airbnb video, but I wasn't camping. And then these sweats, okay, these are Owen sweats. I am so stupid. I forgot to bring one pair of long pants because he's so sweet. And then they're over there. Here's Owen's truck right now. Bike. Quad. Tent. That's all we have set up. Okay.
Because I think it's funny to mess up your video.
Okay,
really
so my face got really burnt. So it's now the next day and we rented a boat and I don't have any footage. I have Snapchats. I'll put those here over Owen's face. And now we are going quadding and biking.
Yep.
All sorts of.
I'm gonna teach her how to ride some shit.
Can't cuss either.
Oh damn. Sorry.
But
oh.
What?
I'm stupid. Nothing.
Okay. But right now we're following my dad. He's in his truck. Owen's in his truck. And that's where we're going. Okay, so now that we're stopped, I got burnt really bad, so ignore that. We are now going quadding and biking and such as the quads are unloading. And yesterday we just set up camp and left. Everything out. That was it. Like, that's the only reason that I didn't film. And then today we woke up, rented a boat, and we were out there for like 2 hours. And then I really wanted to swim, and so I went back because nobody else wanted to swim, and so I threw a fit in the tent. And while I was throwing my fit, I fell asleep for about 15 minutes, and then we got up and did this. It's 4:56, so I believe we're probably gonna be doing this for a while, probably like until 8 or 9. So
and they're DOT approved. That one, I lost the cushion in the top off, but I love it because when it's cold, you can wear a beanie on you. Oh no, actually, because this one a beanie won't fit on it because it has the top pad. That one's nice. Yeah. And you can hike right down to the river.
take my video.
Take your video. Nice camera.
Thank you. I got it for graduation.
You didn't graduate. What are you talking about?
Okay guys, hello. It is now day 3. I did get burnt very badly. And there's Owen. Owen didn't burn, but I just thought, no. Right now we're going to go get mayo. My dad and brother left, so.
Ooh. Oh shit, that was a big ass bug. That was literally that beetle we just seen.
Really?
On my neck.
And now we have to supply our own stuff.
On what?
So we're going to go get mayo. We can't steal theirs anymore. We haven't really done anything else all day. What time is it? Is it late? It's 3.
Just hanging out.
Still swim?
Yeah, still swim. Yeah, you got the right amount. Ugh. Those still cold? Kinda.
They're gonna get hot. That's why I
yeah,
want to
that's
make
right.
it now.
Well, once we start moving and we got the windows up and the AC on, it'll be fine.
Anywho, so today we're probably gonna try and go swimming, and because I really want to swim. Yesterday we ended up renting the boat. Owen and I got into a heated argument. No, I'm just kidding. Owen and I made sandwiches last night. They were really good. And then we ended up just passing out because we did a lot yesterday.
Taught 3 people how to ride motorcycles.
A bunch of stuff. I crashed.
Crashed my $5,000 quad. I'm just fucking with you. She just popped the tire. Nothing broke.
I crashed.
It was
on
lucky.
Accident.
No, she whiskey throttled it. I told her to brake and she just jammed the throttle, pinned it, and we went off the road into a bunch of bushes. And before we hit a tree, I from the back grabbed both brakes, slammed it. She almost went over the handlebars. It was like I told you I had to stop that fast or we would have wrecked.
Yeah.
Like bad.
But it's okay.
And then we ended up popping a tire.
So if anybody wants to donate to the Owen GoFundMe, we have a GoFundMe in the thing.
The tires were bald anyways. It wasn't your fault.
It was my fault.
When you're driving on bald tires, shit pops easy because it can hit the middle of the tread way easier.
It was my fault, guys. So if you guys want to help me out.
It was not your fault.
And then my dad, my brother, and my brother's friend all rode the bike. I have a video of me and Owen on the quad I'll put here.
So there wasn't really a point.
Anywho's, right now it's gonna be our last day, or tomorrow, I guess. And so we wanna go, I wanna go swimming. I wanted to go horseback riding, but I don't think that's gonna happen.
What? You wanted to do what?
Go horseback riding.
Yeah, that's probably not gonna happen. I'll take you up in Montana. We'll horseback ride on our property.
And then, so I really wanna go swimming.
We're going swimming.
We can also do badminton.
Video?
Yeah, her reaction. Hold on.
Even in the nighttime, it's hard to adjust now, 'cause you ain't around, no. Do they treat you real nice? How'd you like the new town? Hard to adjust now, 'cause you ain't around, yeah.
Okay, now we're at Eagle Falls.
Is that gonna mess with the audio?
It will, but I can always put sound over
Hey
it.
guys. No.
So, Owen just recently turned 21 on March 26th, and
My birthday?
wait, what'd you do on your birthday?
I don't know.
Yeah, good. And so, he's gonna try a Buzzwell. Wait, have you had one?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Not this flavor. No, I've sipped. I think Ryan got one time. I sipped it. I don't remember what it tastes like.
You could have told me that.
I
Now I'm
didn't
all
know.
hyping it up.
I don't remember what they taste like. Hold it open while you reach. Alright. I was doing this while I was driving. But you got bean dip and a Coke. What are you gonna do with that? What are you gonna do with that?
Dude, I'm hungry as f. There's nothing in there, Owen. I don't know how stupid you think I am, but
I know for a fact you had 2 Twisted Teas left. Woo! What temperature did you say it was?
85.
85? It feels like it's 110.
that was a big chip for a little dip, sorry.
Huh?
I said that was a big chip
Lot
for a
dip,
little dip.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I dig it. I dig it. Look at him changing over there. Should I wave at him to
That's
freak
such
him
a
out?
weird thing
Should
to
I-
say.
should I
Look at
wave?
them changing over there.
No. Give me a chip.
I'll give you a chip.
Or give me a chip. That guy's still fucking changing, dude. How long does it take?
He's like, girl, he's all baked up everything. He's there for hours.
Is there more? How much bean dip is there? Why are you skipping me? I'm the one that wanted those. Give me a big chip with a lot of dip. You dingus. Ah, that's what I'm talking about.
There are no
Let's
more
go.
big chips.
No. You. Oh, nice. You have half of the whole can on your hand.
Yeah, if she want DR, she can get 20 sticks in the field. We ain't got no end, and I'm playing with the